Hello everybody, we're going to start our series of videos on how to work the EHR. So we're going to simply open, and I'm going to first just show you a downloaded version once you've downloaded the file. It's an Excel file, so you physically download it. Alright, so once it's popped up, you will see this little content that you can just click on it on that. You do have to click Enable Content, right? This is a macro-enabled program. So once you do that, the file will finish loading. Usually once you've done that one time on a computer, it will do that by itself again. And then you will let this continue to run until you see the home screen. Okay, if you get this little pop-up, you can click yes. Do you want to make this a trusted document? So I'm going to click yes so that we forever have, this is a trusted document and you do far less things in the future. So this is the home screen of the EHR. Now there is an option if you save it into a OneDrive. I'm going to open up a copy. Unfortunately, OneDrives do not have the option of running macros right inside of your OneDrive, so I'm going to show you how to do that. What you're going to want to do is choose this little button here that says Editing. And you're going to want to open this in the Desktop app. This might be an option for you because while it's saved in OneDrive and will auto-save, right, the entire document, what you're going to do, and of course you'll open the Excel, this will allow you the desktop features while having it saved in the OneDrive automatically. Yes, because I have both open. However, but I assure you this will work. So those are your two options for when you save. This is a hard file, right, that you're saving an actual copy for every student. Or, okay, you can save it into the OneDrive, open it up, and then use it in the desktop